If you're looking for a reliable and professional home inspection service, well, you've come to the right place.
Hey everyone, this is David with Selman Home Inspections, doing a home inspection today. Thought I would point out a deficiency in electrical bonding that a lot of inspectors may not report or may not notice. But this home, this is the gas meter outside this home, and what we're looking for is an electrical bond. There should be a visible electrical bond on the gas line, the incoming gas line to the home. This one does not have one. On the neighbor's home, there's a good example of one that does. So we'll just sneak over here to the neighbor's house real quick next door, and you can see this one has the visible electrical bond for the gas line, and when those are not present, we write those up as deficient and recommend that an electrician further evaluate it and check it out. Could be electrically bonded somewhere else, but just want to make sure that we have a visible electric bond on the home, and in this case we don't. So I just wanted to point that out. You guys have a great day. Thanks.
No matter what type of home inspection you need done, you can count on us. Call or email one of our friendly staff now to schedule your home inspection.